I'm with Silver Flame. I'm back with my blender today. But today, I'm telling you how to make your protein shakes taste a lot better. And kind of have a little bit more protein in there. They'll taste sweeter. They'll have a bit more of a taste to them. And they'll be more, they'll have more protein. Because of how I make them. No, I don't need that off. I need this thingy off. There we go. Alright. So first, you're going to get your protein shake. Alright. I'm using chocolate just because I like it. I'm not sponsored by Whey or anything. But I do really love their protein shakes. They make really good ones. And you can do this with any flavor. It doesn't just have to be chocolate. But I like chocolate. I like the chocolate ones. They taste pretty good. So after you put about 2 scoops in there, just depends on how much you want to make. Put your milk in there. And yes, you use milk, not water with this, because, like I said, more protein. Next, you need a spoon, because you gotta have something to fill your brain with eye candy, whatever that's supposed to mean. Next, you're gonna put a little bit of peanut butter in there, about that much. So yeah, you're gonna put some peanut butter in there. That also, it adds to the flavor. Also puts more protein in there. I like the extra smooth peanut butter better, but next you put a little bit of honey in there. This is what makes it sweet. Just play around with it until you find out how much you like. I like a good bit of honey in mine. Now it's time for the... No, I'm getting you out of my way. Now it's time for the loudness. I probably blew that up for a little longer than I should have, but I honestly don't really care. And now, go ahead and pour it on in there and drink it up. Well, I got too small of a cup. Oh well. But yeah, with this, it tastes sweeter, and you kind of taste the peanut butter, and of course the milk has vitamins and all that kind of good stuff in there, and so does the peanut butter. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's got some sugar in there, but everybody needs a little bit of sugar in their body. Sugar is a little bit good for you, not in a large amount, it's like what's in candy or soft drinks, but a little bit of sugar is actually good for you. And it tastes so good. That's all for this time. Like this video, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun shit. That's it. I'll see you next time. Now I gotta press the button on my phone.